Do you have a pain in your neck that's not your spouse, your kids, or your job? It's a very common condition, but it's not normal. Neck pain can be caused by many different events.
The first thing that people think of when it comes to pain is car accidents. They are a major source of neck pain, and according to a recent study from Yale, it takes as little of an impact as 8 miles an hour to cause damage to the occupants. So even if you think it's just a little fender bender or just a little tap, it's enough to cause injury.
And the worst thing you can do after an accident is to ignore your symptoms. The timeliness in which you get checked by a chiropractor can mean the difference between a few weeks until you get back to normal or a lifetime of neck pain and disability.
Sports injuries are also a common cause of these problems. Contact sports like football, basketball, wrestling can create forces that are enough to cause injury to elements of the spine.
Also consider sports that might not have a direct impact, but that involve repetitive motions of the neck, like volleyball, soccer, baseball.
Repetitive stressors, like those involved with a work environment, should also be considered. Anything you do on a repetitive basis adds up. Repetitive looking down at phones, at screens, at books, laptops, jobs that involve repetitive movement in one direction, checkers at grocery stores, hairstylists, hours, days, weeks, months, and years.
So proper ergonomics, if you have a sitting position, is essential for a pain-free neck.
How do we figure out what's causing the pain? Many patients come in thinking they know the exact source of the pain.
So disc, joints, muscles, nerves, tendons, ligaments can all cause pain. And it's critical to properly diagnose the source so that the solution can be determined.
There are many ways to determine which structures are involved in your pain experience, and we do that through a thorough evaluation using orthopedic and neurological tests, palpation, digital motion x-ray, and if needed, other imaging can be ordered to further solidify the sources of pain.
And once a thorough evaluation is complete, we can design solutions for you, including spinal manipulation, instrument adjusting, cold laser therapy, therapeutic rehabilitation through prescribed plan, active cervical traction, curve restoration through orthotic prescription for the spine.
While all these treatments can be beneficial, the focus should be on the ones that are most beneficial to your particular condition.
Adjustments, whether they're manual or instrument, can help to create and restore proper motion of the joint, creating less pain from joint structures while also restoring health to the surrounding discs and nerves.
Cervical traction is used if you have a joint structure causing pain or a disc problem between the bones. This form of active therapy is used to restore hydration to the discs, plumping them up, taking irritation away from the nerves, and slowing down the degenerative process of those discs.
Cold laser therapy can be used for the healing of thousands of tissue types, including ligaments, tendons, bones, discs, and muscles. It is commonly used for acute pain from accidents to speed up healing through activation of certain cells.
Therapeutic, rehabilitative exercises are critical for long-term health and wellness of your neck. If you don't want problems to return, it is essential that you do your part. No one wants to hear that, I know, but we can't make the body work any differently.
Properly prescribed stretches, customized to you, alongside core spinal strengthening, will ensure that your results are long-lasting and permanent.
Orthotic prescription for neck curve restoration is another essential element for undoing years of damage. Exactly how your body got into this situation is exactly how we'll get it out of this situation. Repetitive use of this orthotic device, when sized properly and prescribed by your chiropractor, creates long-term change in your posture, taking pressure off your upper back and neck when it feels like you're carrying the weight of the world.
And while many people in their hunt for treatment for their neck pain go straight to Dr. Google or Dr. YouTube, there are some ideas that can harm you.
Some common ones that we've seen recently are a traction strap that hangs over the door and actually puts your neck into a very unhealthy posture. There are also some exercise videos that, depending on your particular issue, could be making you worse.
You know, there are times and places to do specific rehabilitation of the spine, and this is the knowledge that you'll need from your chiropractor.
You don't have to live in pain forever. You can get back out on the golf course. You can sleep comfortably again. You can get on your bike again without the fear of making it worse.
It's actually possible to not sit in agony at your computer and be productive again. We can help you. Call us or text us today.